Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, so in this opportunity, I want to tell you about an IT case, a case that literally happens when we are uh, exporting or downloading or cloning a code from GitHub, and then the code wasn't being able to serve. It's especially for this issue is only available happen in Laravel codes, source codes. We cannot serve the code, although maybe our SAMPP was on, and we're going to try out to figure this thing. So yeah, because maybe SAMPP is also the main problem, but the problem is SAMPP is already on. So let's just first to to start the server actually. Yeah, so the server is running, so we're going to try out to run the code, and we're gonna go to github.com. Okay, there you go. And so you're going to clone someone's code. Actually, let's just say going to clone Laravel code. Let's just go to your repository or someone's repository, but in this case I only want to use my own repository for this case actually. And let's go. So there are many codes here. Just see the one that using PHP Blade, yeah, because we are going to use a Laravel code, not other codes except Laravel, because we are going SAMPP and we're going to make a back-end code. We're going to run a code, a website or something, a website or an API that needs a server to be run. So the first is open one of your codes here, your repository. Let's just use this one. Okay, we have entered the repository, which has add file, but we are going to use this. Actually, for cloning, you can just directly download the zip file or just via Visual Studio Code to make like this. Okay, new window. Oh no. Oh yeah, yes. I'm sure actually. Yeah, you can see that this thing. Where's the welcome tab actually? Oh no, there should be a welcome file here. When the welcome tab is actually appear, I will show you this is the plus tutorial for you how to clone a code from VS Code. From how to clone a code from GitHub, I mean, for VS Code especially. So we can just open clone git repository, and then we copy the code, and we'll choose the HTTPS one, not the SSH or the GitHub CLI. So we're going to clone git repository, and then we pass the code and then enter. In this one we have to choose a folder, of course. We have to use a folder, and which folder, but I will not make from other folder. We're gonna make new folder. Just name it code clone. Okay, so this will be our repository destination. Oh yes, we're gonna open this thing. And so we have completed our cloning the website actually. Or there's another page if you want to have it. Let's just maybe try out the others. So you just delete the file, and this is the second way before we going to enter our main IT case that we need to solve with. I will put the folder in my user folder, and we are going to delete this code. Wait. Okay. Yes, it is colorless. Delete it. And the second thing is downloading a zip file. But this one is a little bit complicated actually. You can see in the downloads of the Chrome and the web browser is been completed, so we just open the file explorer and open the file and extract the file. Yeah, extract all, and then we extract enter. So we're gonna wait for the chart to be finished, of course. Okay, so the thing is completed now. This thing has been extracted, so we're just going to rename it, yeah, with the same name, code clone, and then we Control X or cut via here, cut this one actually, the shortcut. We're gonna use the shortcut, or we can pass it in our del file, because I always put the file in here. I never put anywhere, since actually, yeah, in order not to be lost or being something. But we have GitHub to protect our code from lost or corrupted file from our laptop. Okay, so we have cloned the laptop. I mean the folder actually. We have made, and then we having a right click on our laptop or our PC, and then show more options, and then open with code. So the thing is just only to just learn, and the result would be like this. PHP warning requires C users to code clone, blah, blah, blah. So it's our thing to do this. We're going to have a comment like this. First was CP. Oh, we need to update our composer first actually. We just use git bash to make everything normal, because if we have PowerShell, it will happen like this. Yes, composer update. Good. Yeah, you can see that the download was failed because sometimes PowerShell didn't wanna have something to do with like this, so you just delete this thing because we know this is failed. Just use git bash for everything, like composer update. Wait, where is it? Yeah, there you go. What is it? Oh yeah, here. Yeah, enter. We're just going to wait for a few minutes. Since there's no failed message, so we are sure that this thing already worked better until we just wait the time to be finished. Yeah, it's take a lot of minutes. Just wait for the download to be 100% actually. And so yeah, we have completed to make the code. We have completed to update the composer, and the result will be like this. So in this case, that everything has been done and the composer updated. So what's the second thing? This is the first case that composer cannot be updated in PowerShell. So you must install git bash, and there are the websites if you want to know. And I'm going to copy the env example file with cp .env.example into env. This is we copied the file with name env, and then we enter. And so you can see that the uh, the file has been made. This is for our database in PHP MyAdmin. So the first and then the second is going to rename the database name to test code. Okay, just name it whatever you want, but I will name it like this. And then we're going to migrate the database PHP artisan migrate, enter, and then there will be a question: warning, the database test code does not exist on MySQL connection. You want to create it? Yes, of course. Just use Y, or maybe yes, but you can just use Y. They will actually understand our needs. So they have created the database, and then the thing is, we serve because we need to see the website. PHP artisan serve. Boom. Server running. So we just control and click. We open the website, the browser, and they will direct us here. Oh, what is it? Oh, we have to generate the application key. I forgot, man. So the thing is, I forgot one thing. The command was PHP artisan key generate to generate the application key, and then we rerun the server, and so we just reload the website. And so, our website has been able to run after cloning from a GitHub code. So, it was solved. Yeah, just like that. We have the first case that the PowerShell cannot be run, cannot update Composer, and then the second was application key didn't generate it yet. Oh no, I mean the second was we cannot run the server because we haven't updated our Composer, and then the third application key cannot be generated, and so that's the syntax is this one. This is the syntax. Remember that. Thank you for watching. Hope this tutorial is very beneficial for you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.